locked and loaded. We're pulling into Dudds Creek. We got Broski.
Yo, Broski the cut. It's been a minute, dude.
South Jersey crew back there. Look, we got 5 pitters stuffed in the back. I'll turn the light on. How you doing?
Donzi better send us off the roof. It's about to be a good fucking day, Joe.
Squad deep today,
what
boys.
Up?
What's
made it.
About to have a day, boys.
What up? Yeah, you guys got porta potties here or something, dude? Whew.
Yeah, we got porta potties.
Damn.
Where should we go?
I like Dudds Creek so far, dude. This place is sick.
Oh, God. You have to sign a waiver and practice to start right now.
No, it's starting right now. We'll make it out there. Let's unload some pitters. Practice going down at Dudds Creek. The track looks sick, so we'll get our first couple laps in. At Joey Crad.
Yeah, right. What'd you do?
Did you see it?
No, I just see you on the ground.
I went right over the berm and just fucking cartwheeled.
Oh, Mikey! Yeah. So what are you doing?
So unfortunately, not unfortunately, it's not that big of a deal, but they're allowing pipes in the stock class, which kind of sucks for the couple guys that I brought on full stock bikes. I have a pipe, so we're gonna throw it on. Sounds good.
What's up, baby?
Let's go, Connor! So we're out here for heat 2. The gate's a little full, so I'm sacrificing my gate pick. I'm going second row.
You starting second row?
Yeah.
Ooh, let's go.
Chain. Fuck.
Connor!
Yo, Johnny. Woohoo!
I didn't do so hot, Connor.
We got stock mod Moto 1. We're giving ourselves a second place start again because there ain't no room. just won that one too. But dude, I was battling. Dude, those bikes are insanely fast.
Dude,
every turn is what?
One white bike, dude. Oh my god, that thing.
I was trying so hard, everything I could to get an inch everywhere. It finally paid off towards the end. We got 110 stock main going down.
Sorry, I like it.
Top 10 from the heats or the A main. The rest go to the B main.
Look at this. Look at the fucking view. I didn't make it into the A class. I'm a shitty mechanic. I didn't have my bike ready. My chain popped.
Honestly,
both motos. Terrible.
at least you're consistent. I mean,
Yeah.
at the end of the day, that's a win.
My friend's out there. He's in first right now. I watch his videos.
You do?
I do.
Are you subscribed?
Yeah, I subscribe and I like.
Donzi!
This guy in first fucking sucks.
Come on, Greg! Donzi. I'm talking to you, not that one. Charge it, Johnny! Yeah! Yeah, boy!
Dude, I'm hurt.
Second moto. Great window.
This is my post-race talk, you know.
Post-race interview. Here we are with Broski.
My
Broski,
hands
how's
hurt,
it go,
dude.
kid?
But how do my performance look?
He won. Yeah, I was like, he won. We're interviewing you.
How my performance look?
You look clean. You had fun. I liked how you went around a couple of the jumps. That was cool.
We got those new stock mod moto.
bruh.
Hey, I didn't want to do that, but he took me out first.
That was a good one.
Yeah, boy.
One's on the day, baby.
Yo.
We got some beer money.
Yeah, boy.
And we got money to go home now. Yo, vlog, look at this dirty rider. Look at this. You got the takeout?
Connor?
Kids
It's
are
awesome with the camera. Do I see him running from over there, over there? He's getting every section, dude.
Thanks, Mikey.
Hell yeah, thank you. We got some hardware. That's what's up. Thank you guys.
I'll be right back.
Fuck off.
Fuck off.
Fuck off, I'm leaving.
Fuck back to New Jersey.
Woo,
Hardware.
yo.
Those are sick. Yeah, those are actually.
Let's go right up in the shop.
Yep, I don't know buy that stick boy.
For a Honda?
Fancy boy.
Oh, dude.
I think
Damn. That thing's nasty. That's gonna look good on the old 696. All right, so that's gonna wrap it up for Duds Creek. We came home with 2 #1 plates, the stock in the stock mod class. Everyone was ripping, nobody got hurt, it was a good day.
tonight Maryland got Twisted Tea in the fucking.
Maryland, fun fact, Maryland has Twisted Tea in a bag, so shout out to all the guys at Duds Creek, RC Hot Coats, and Mini Moto Nation. And if you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up. Remember to subscribe, we'll catch you next time, peace.